squishies. Wait for my mom. Coming with the scissors. And we're cutting open a pineapple that's blue. Now we're going to cut it open right now. Let's do it over the bowl. We love orbies. Now we are going to squish it. Oh, guys, this is going everywhere. This is going everywhere. We need a, more, because there's more orbies inside there. No, rip it open. How many claws are in there? Whoa, guys! Hey, we're going to play. Wow! Look how many orbies! Whoa! Look at them! Mom, pick all of them up and put them in here, okay? Here are missing. Let's cut open one of these. One of them. I'm gonna cut them one. We need a grown up for help. Well, I need you, because I'm trying to cut one of these balls, only one. Guys, look at these orbies. They're so squishy. We got orbies all over the place. We got orbies. Guys, look at these orbies. They're so cute. And if you text us, because my name is Haley Sparkles, and we are cutting open the squishies. We love orbies. And my mom. Look, guys. Mom, look. Whoa, no, over the place. Hey, just look her. Hey. Boom, 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 boom. I get them all over the place. I have to wash my hands. Are you ready, guys? We're washing my hands. Wash. Washy wash. Oh, can I open that? Yes. Oh, I need a new one of these. Can I have a new bowl? But I don't want to mess up this one.
Mix them all together.
Yes. Guys, we're going to cut open this. Guys, are you ready? Whoa, guys. Whoa! Guys! This is not working. Whoa! Popping open. Pop it. Some more. Whoa, guys. You have to mush it all together. What? Cause this like snow. Just shake it. some snow. Guys, look at the snow. You take snow, guys. Look at it. Look at snow. Guys. What? I think we need some more out. A little bit more, yes. Let's look inside there. Inside. Get to. Guys, this is almost the end of our video. Always remember my name is Princess Sparkles. Well, guys, let's mix it up now. Whoa, guys! Mix it up a little bit. Wait. More? Yeah. Guys, let's mix. I think we need a new color. Guys, is that too loud? Well, I speak very well. Everybody else thinks that. No, I need a new color. It's not working out. I need a new color. Guys, we got some glitter. Glitter, glitter. Glitter, glitter. Guys, let's do the open one. Whoa! Guys, let's mix it. Sparkly! Now we're gonna open this. Wow, guys. This is like some of the snow stuff. We have to, but it's not the end yet. We have to get this open. This open. Open, open. Open, 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 open. Open, open. And hope you rise up. Oh, ho, ho. I want to play. Oh. I'm going to sit right here. Ho, ho. And I'm covered up and warm. Look at this. Come on, George. I'm coming. Hi, Daddy Pig. Hi, Susie. Whoa. Where's the other pieces? Oh, look at my hands. Look at my hands, guys. Mom, look at my hands.
I see.
Guys. Guys, look at them. They're all covered up. Daddy's pig head. Where is Susie? Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Where's the kids? Ho, ho. I know George wants to see me. Better run away. Where's George? Daddy Pig? Where's George? Where? Probably there. Ho ho ho. I'm gonna get it out. See, I'm gonna sit. Yeah. Sit down. Yes. And bear. Hi, hi. I'm a bear, and you're gonna find me at Daily Haley. Right there, and subscribe to our channel. We have a gang of people for McDonald's to get to. I don't have to move that much. There, George. Thank you. Congratulations. Let's wash your hair. Put a little. Happy, sad, mad. Guys, I'm doing something. Oh, look at it. Slide it out. There's swimming in you. I'm gonna go under. Move on, guys. Okay, guys. She wants to get under. Let me cover her up. Jumping on the bed. They're off and bumped its head. Doctor and the doctor said. digging.
Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
Subscribe to our video. Be healthy and strong. Bye. Okay. Like our video. We will see you again tomorrow. Bye.